Alan, we're here at your stand at EMO 2019. That means one thing, the Encore event is just around the corner in Worcester.
Yeah, it really is. We're proud to be here in Hanover this week with 27 machines on display, 15 automation solutions, and the great news is for those customers who can't make it across from the UK to Hanover this week, we'll be bringing a lot of this technology back to our technology centre in Worcester to demonstrate the cutting edge of manufacturing process technology.
Quite obviously, you can't take all the machines back to Worcester, so maybe some of the highlights for the event.
Yeah, it's unfortunate we can't fit everything into the ETC, but some key machines coming back. And just to pick out a few, the CV5-500 is the latest Worcester designed, Worcester manufactured product, fitting that commodity 5-axis requirement that's so important to subcontract sectors across the UK, be it from aerospace, automotive, die and mould or medical.
Well, this is a machine that's been designed and built in the UK. It's making its world debut today. It's full 5-axis simultaneous, and it's got some really outstanding performance that will target a wide range of users, but it's priced to sell very competitively, and I think it's going to be attractive to a lot of people.
So Mazak, you've got a huge range and array of 5-axis machines. Where would this one fit within that range?
This will go up to a range of 500 millimeters. It's fully simultaneous 5-axis, but it's priced to sell really well, and so it would attract a number of users, but typically subcontractors, job shops, applications like that.
From that we go to the latest generation of Integrex. The Integrex multitasking platform has been such a success for Mazak, not just in the UK but globally. And the latest IH range of products making its debut here today in Hanover will also be back in Worcester, back in the December week commencing the 2nd, where we'll start our EMO Encore event.
Well, this is our new generation of Integrex, and there's some really outstanding features on it. We've got 2 models on show at EMO this year. We've got the I-200H ST and the I-450H ST, and they represent 2 models within the complete series.
So the Integrex machine's one of the world's best-selling machines, so why do you need to change, Mark?
A number of reasons really. We're seeing the advent of automation, and the trend for that is growing, ever increasing. We're also seeing customers desiring ever more for productivity. So this machine sets out to bring a solution that solves both. It's a really small footprint. It's been designed so it's easy to integrate automation, yet we've lifted up the productivity, the specification, and also the working capacity of the machine.
Martin, this is some machine. It's huge. What is this new model?
It's a huge machine. It's a 1250 Integrex, but AG. AG stands for auto gear. So if you've got a job that has to have all the turning, all the milling you need, but then everything to do with gear cutting, this is what you need. We're talking about gear skiving, gear hobbing, gear milling, also gear deburring, and importantly as well, gear inspections. So you can end up inspecting a gear with a touch probe, and then you can get a printout that looks very similar to any CMM inspection result.
We also have a latest generation control system. The Smooth Control now has a Smooth AI version, which really takes the control to the next step in terms of artificial intelligence and easing manufacturing processes.
So this is our new controller, Yamazaki Mazak's new controller, Smooth AI combined with digital twins. So it's an artificially intelligent control system with integrated software that provides us with digital twinning capability.
So many people watching this video, they'll know what AI is and they'll know what digital twin is, but is there any real life industrial applications, Greg?
Well, everything we're doing here is about the practical application of 3 parts of this new control system. So we're looking at AI, artificial intelligence, we're looking at digital twinning, and we're looking at advanced automation capabilities. Well, there's huge productivity improvements that can be made. So things like our new solid Mazatrol software allows us to really program from a 3D model completely. And while we're programming from that 3D model, we're taking the time it takes to program down to a minimum, a few minutes to program even a complex part.
I must admit, I've had a walk around your stand. It's stunning, Alan. So I really do urge everyone at home to try and get across to Worcester. One more time, what are the dates?
It's week commencing the 2nd of December. We're proud to host such a great range of technologies, and it's really important for UK manufacturing, if we're going to stay at the pinnacle of manufacturing across the globe, that we embrace the latest technologies, and we feel we'll have those on display in Worcester, week commencing the 2nd of December.